Good morning, FCS students. How are you doing? Can you believe Easter vacation is already over and you're already back at school? It's Monday, April 28th. Take heart though, there's not that many weeks of school left, and then you'll be out for the summer as long as you actually finish all of your schoolwork. And that's what I want to talk to you about real quick today. Today, I'm actually leaving for Louisiana. If you don't know where that is, have your teacher show you on a map. I will be there all week because I am going to finish something that I started actually almost 25 years ago. When I graduated from college, I wanted to get my master's degree. That's the next degree after your bachelor's degree. And I started, but then my school had some issues, some other things came up, and I just decided I wasn't going to do it. And so now here I am 25 years later, wishing I had done it 25 years ago. But I've spent the last year and a half working on my master's degree, and I'm going to finish it this week and graduate myself on Friday. So no matter how long it takes, we always want to keep after it. We always want to keep pushing, keep trying, doing our best. So as you enter these last 6-7 weeks of school, whatever it is, I encourage you to push hard, get everything done you need to, finish well, and finish what you started. That's what Jesus did when he was here. We just celebrated Easter. He pushed all the way through the crucifixion, cross, and thankfully the resurrection, because he came to finish what he started. And since I'll be gone this Friday, Pastor Mike Tadlock is going to be here, and he's going to be in charge of chapels for us. He'll also be speaking, so we're looking forward to that. I know that all you guys in the play are practicing hard because it is just a few weeks right around the corner. So do your best there so you can finish what you started. It's going to be good. Proud of you guys, and it's going to be really, really good. All right, other than that, I don't think anything necessarily special going on this week, just school. So praying that you have a good week. I will not be here to see you this week, so I will see you next week on Monday. God bless you guys. Talk to you soon.